This is Movietone. Jeffrey Sumner reporting. A crowd estimated at some 100,000 paid an impressive tribute to Marshal Tito when he visited Stalingrad during his Russian tour. Strangely enough, it's still called Stalingrad, but nobody had time to think about that. They were far too busy cheering Yugoslavia's president. Salt and a loaf of bread were offered, a custom of this country, where custom is seldom secure. After all, not so long ago, it was customary to criticize Tito. But now, comrades, he receives the full friendship of the Russian peoples. The cordiality between Mr. Khrushchev and his guest blossoming like a flower in the sunshine of the new Soviet policy. The forest fire